You are right. This is the Tower Bridge. And I'm so excited that my phone is covering this so well. And here is the London Eye. So all the London attraction you can see from here.
Hey guys, welcome to Only the Shreya. Well, होटल बुक करना लंदन में सबसे ज़्यादा कंफ्यूजिंग होता है. कौन सा होटल बुक करे, कहाँ पे बुक करे, जहाँ से ट्रैवल्स ईजी हो, स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर ट्रैवलिंग विद अ बेबी. इट्स रियली इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू बुक अ होटल दैट इज वेरी क्लोज टू ऑल द अट्रैक्शंस. Even if you're not traveling with a baby, it makes life very easier for you. So I thought, why not make a video and show you the apartment that I have booked and get you guys some ideas about booking this apartment. So let me show you and give you a tour of this house. Hey guys, welcome to Only the Shreya. होटल बुक करना लंदन में सबसे ज़्यादा कंफ्यूजिंग होता है. कौन सा होटल बुक करे, कहाँ पे बुक करे, जहाँ से ट्रैवल्स ईजी हो, स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर ट्रैवलिंग विद अ बेबी. इट्स रियली इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू बुक अ होटल दैट इज वेरी क्लोज टू ऑल द अट्रैक्शंस. Even if you're not traveling with a baby, it makes life very easier for you. So I thought, why not make a video and show you the apartment that I have booked and get you guys some ideas about booking this apartment. So let me show you and give you a tour of this house.
The best part is they have all the storage that we need. And they also have washing machine, they have storage houses, 2 bedrooms, 1 big living room which has kitchen included. So let me show you. So this was the bathroom. Really nice bathroom. And this is the bedroom number 2. Lot of storage unit. And this is another bathroom which is included in the room. And bedroom. It's messy because we are leaving and I decided to make the video now. And another similar kind of view. And that is it. This was our hotel. It was really handy to have the kitchen. It was really handy. The rooms were very spacious. A lot of storage units. So if you're traveling with a baby, you need the storage. I hope this video is helpful and I will put all the details of this hotel into this description. So next time if you're visiting, you can also book this and make life easy. So from this hotel, all the attractions were around 35 minutes away via tram. You have to walk around 5 to 7 minutes each time you are catching a tram or a bus. But it wasn't a problem because the tram or the bus really takes you to that attractions place, very near to that attractions place. You don't need to walk after that. And anyway, if you're traveling, you do have to walk. But having this apartment, having this spacious place was really important. So this was it, and I'll see you in the next video.